Hi everyone. I hope you all are fine and safe. It's the time to learn literacy. Are you ready? Do you like to learn literacy? Yes. Do you remember our last lesson? We learned all about letter K. Today we are going to learn all about letter L. I am going to teach you how to write letter L, the sound of letter L, what are the words starts with letter L, jolly phonic song of letter L, and what are the hands-on activities we can do for letter L. Are you ready? Here we go. First I am going to teach you how to write letter L. As you all know, there are two types of letters, uppercase and lowercase. You can see two red lines and two blue lines on the board. This line we call as headline, and these two blue lines we call as two tummy lines, and this one we call as leg line. First I am going to teach you how to write uppercase L. We'll start a standing line from the headline and it goes to the second tummy line, a straight line. Stop it. And a sleeping line. It's very easy. One more time. A standing line starts from the headline and it goes to the second tummy line, a sleeping line. One more time. Are you ready to practice with me? Yes, standing line, stop it, and a sleeping line. Standing line, stop it, and sleeping line. This letter we call as uppercase L, big L, capital L, and mama L. Next, what we will learn? We will learn lowercase L. Are you ready? It's very easy. Only a standing line. Starts from the headline, it goes to the second tummy line. That's it. A standing line. A standing line. This letter we call as lowercase l, small l, baby l, and do they look same or different? Even though they look different, they make the same sound. What is the sound of letter L? What is the sound of letter L? Now you know how to write letter L and the sound of letter L. Now let's see what are the words starts with letter L. Number 1, lion. Lion is a wild animal and scary animal. Lion we known as the king of the jungle. Who's the king of the jungle? Lion. Number 2, lemon. Lemon is a fruit. It has a yellow color peel and inside pulp is sour taste. We use lemon to make lemon juice. It's really good to beat the summer heat. Number 3, ladybug. Ladybugs are very colorful insects. It has 6 legs and the body red color, and there are black color spots we can see. We all like ladybugs. Number 4, lollipop. It's very sweet taste and it's a junk food. But we love to eat lollipops. Do you like to eat lollipops? Number 5. Ladder. Ladder is an equipment we use to go up and down. It's very useful to go up and down. Now you know 5 words starts with letter L. Are you ready to remind all the words which we learned today? Number 1, lion. Number 2, lemon. Number 3, ladybug. Number 4, lollipop. And number 5, ladder. Now it's the time to learn jolly phonic song. Are you ready? We are going to eat lollipops. Imagine there's a lollipop on your hand. Are you ready to sing with me? Yes. 1, 2, 3, start. We lick our lollipops. We lick our lollipops. Ooh, 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 ooh. We lick our lollipops. One more time. We lick our lollipops. We lick our lollipops. Ooh, 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 ooh. We lick our lollipops. Now you know how to write letter L. What is the sound of letter L? And what are the words start with letter L? Jolly phonic song of letter L. Now it's the time to do the hands-on activities. Are you ready? Before doing the hands-on activities, make sure to wear your apron. Today I am going to use popsicle sticks for this activity. Instead of popsicle sticks, you can use Play-Doh, clay, semolina, fine salt, cushy bags, shaving cream, many things. First I am going to show you how to do uppercase L. It's very easy. Yeah, first standing line, yes, and a sleeping line. Now I am going to show you how to do lowercase L. It's very easy. Only standing line. This is uppercase L and this is lowercase L. It's very easy. You can try with your mama. My next lesson is all about letter M. I hope you really enjoy my session. See you soon. Bye bye.